everyone, let me tell a little about myself. My name is Katerina. I am 34 years old. I was born and lived in Ukraine. Since my childhood, I adored foreign languages. I grew in the family where every member of it was interested in foreign languages, in particular English. As I felt pity to those who couldn't understand English speech, I decided that I become a teacher. And I have become a teacher. My dream has fulfilled. I began from English, but now I teach English, Romanian, Polish, Ukrainian, Russian languages. I conduct my lessons in different languages. It depends on need or desire of my student. I have been teaching practice for over than 15 years, and during these years, my students were able to achieve their goals connecting with foreign languages, for example, obtaining a new job relating with speaking with foreigners, or traveling to different countries of the world. To tell the truth, traveling is one of my hobbies too. I like exploring new places, experiencing local traditions, and tasting new cuisines. I interacted with many people, and I have understood how they express their thoughts. And I have the big communicating practice. The main goal of my lessons is the development of speaking skills. I want my students to put their thoughts into words lightly and easily overcome the language barrier. In practice, the exhibition of grammatical points will occur in the mind of my students gradually from simple to complex. I have the great experience for preparing many students for different interviews, for example, for the oath ceremony for obtaining Romanian citizenship. Imagine that you are my student and are present at our first lesson. After we become familiar, we begin to learn English or another language, rules of reading or pronunciation. If we can learn the rules of reading or pronunciation in less than one lesson, we will begin to master the simplest elements of sentence construction. And literally in the second lesson, you will be able to make simple sentences about yourself or your family. Thus, the grammar of the target language will form in your mind gradually, and you will increase your vocabulary. After every lesson, you will receive the audio file with the recording of the knowledge from the language, and you will secure the obtained material by listening to these audio files. Whether you want speaking skills for personal growth, for work, for travel, connect me, and I am here to guide you every step on this way. Thank you for attention.